Bring it to the one I know. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Renee Rowena and I'm back at it with another video. I'm sure you can tell by the title what today's topic will be about. Ever had a Jamaican guy checking you out? Ever told them you had a boyfriend? How did they respond? When you tell a Jamaican man you have a boyfriend.
The girl the nicey Jano star.
Baby, wait so I can get your number. Me have a boyfriend.
So, that must say nothing.
Just keep me on the side. Me have a boyfriend, man.
Him nah fi know.
Bird can't fly upon one wing.
Bird can't fly on one wing. So what I say? Like how you have a boyfriend, me can't be a friend. Jamaican men, they are the slickest. The slickest. They will be trying to holler at you, and no matter how many times you tell them that you have a boyfriend, they're still gonna try and pave their way in some way, somehow. Whether it's somebody can be a friend or keep me on the side, man. Sometimes you may even hear somebody can't get your number then. A very funny one is, I know your man me look at you, me want running. You look nicey, man. So yeah, I say, me can't get your number. Me have a boyfriend, you know. Me not see no ring pon the finger. The man say no see no ring pon the finger. So that mean you're single, you know, my girl. You're single. Really? You're looking at her finger for a ring? Good one. What about this man? Better listen, I have a man. I don't care. I not ask about your boyfriend. And you me ask about. If I hear them say stove not have one burner. Say for instance, your man break up. May I go just there right, yes so. Having a Jamaican guy hitting on you can be one of the funniest thing ever. They go from being your friend or want to be your friend, then slowly asking for your number. Then the next thing you know, them want go up on the side, want be this, them want be that. I know about mateys and side chicks. But when a guy comes to you and says that he wants to be on the side, what do you call that? My word of advice, whether you have a man or not, are you pretending to have a boyfriend or whether you have a boyfriend, just be nice to our Jamaican man you hear, because they don't like rejection. And the moment you reject them, especially if you're gonna do it in a mean way, the fastest you turn in an ugly girl and the quickest you see them run your way.